students, good afternoon. Let us start today's lecture, and this question is asked in JEE 2019. Tangents drawn from the point P1, 8 to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0 touches the circle at the points A and B. The equation of the circumcircle of the triangle PAB is dash. What is saying? There is one circle, okay? There is one circle. Name of the circle is x square plus y square minus 6x okay, minus is 6x minus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0. Now he is saying that from outside they have tangents are drawn, okay, from the outer point the tangents are drawn, okay. Tangents drawn from the point P, that is external point P1, 8 to the circle and touches the circle at A and B points. Okay, there will be the center C, and if you join this one and this one, you know this will be perpendicular and this will be perpendicular, right? And this is a point PAB, and just if you join this PAB is the triangle. PAB will be the triangle. So what is saying here is asking that circumcircle of the triangle PAB. PAB circumcircle PAB. This will go from the center. Okay. PAB circumcircle is asking to find PAB circumcircle. Circumcircle of PAB. And for this circumcircle I gave direct formula also to find this, okay. And one more way is to find is if you join these two, then this is becomes the diameter because angle in the same semicircle, because this PC becomes the diameter. Then why it is becomes the diameter? This angle is making 90 degrees. It means angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees. Then this PC will be diameter. Okay, so then equation of the diametric form of a circle is, what is the formula? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of this one. And another formula also I gave, circumference of the circle, circumference of the triangle of circle. I gave the formula also, x minus x1 plus x plus g. Like yesterday I gave the formula. You can remember that formula, you can apply that formula, or you can go by the diametric form, you get the same answer. So here this P is 1, 8, okay. So here I have to find the center of the circle, okay. Then I can use this formula easily, okay. So what I do here, I will find the center of the circle. 2g is equal to minus 6, g will be minus 3. 2f is equal to minus 4, f will be minus 2. The center of the circle will be minus g comma minus f, that is 3 comma 2. Means you can take this is x1 y1, this is you can take x2 y2, and substitute in that you get the equation of this blue circle, okay. Is asking to find this blue circle. So what I can write here, x minus x1, x1 is 1 into x minus x2, x2 is 3 plus y minus y1, y1 is 8 and y minus y2, y2 is 2 is equals to 0. And if you multiply this, you are going to get the final answer, okay. Hope you have understood. Then just you simplify this, multiply and simplify, you are going to get the answer. X into x, x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 plus y into y, y square minus 2y minus 8y minus into minus plus 8 to the 16 is equal to 0. Finally, I am going to get the equation of this one, that is a circle, x square plus y square minus 3x. Here you have minus 3x and minus x, that is minus 4x minus 2y minus 8y, that is minus 10y plus 3 plus 16, that is plus 19 is equal to 0. This is the required answer for this question. Hope you have understand. Let us move on to the next question to understand this clearly. Okay, let's move on to the next.